Hello, brothers and sisters. Join me again in a new lesson. Remember, this is the third lesson about present continuous tense, and of course, it's the last lesson on present continuous tense. We have more example sentences just to get us understand this form of tense in a better way. So the next sentence here with me is it is raining. It is raining means the action is still taking place. It is raining. So how do we put this one in sign language? We will say rain now. It is raining. Rain now. We go. So this is raining. It is raining now. That's how we put it in sign language and of course in signed form. The next sentence here is the children are eating food. The children are eating food. The word eating is an action word indicating that the action is still taking place. So the children are eating food. In sign language, it will be food, child, child, eat now. Food, child, child, eat now. Or you can also sign it like this. You can also give it in this form. Food, child, child, eat now. That's how we can sign it in another form. The next sentence here is the pastor is praying for the sick people. The pastor is praying for the sick people. How do we put this sentence in sign language? We will say people sick. Pastor pray now. The pastor is praying for the sick people. People sick. Pastor pray now. We go. People, pastor. Now. Again. People, pastor. Now. Now, how do you put this sentence in action form? This sentence, people sick, pastor pray now. In action form, in sign language, in the action form, we'll put it like this. People sick, sick, pastor now. Or people sick, pastor now. Any of those ones indicates the action form that the praying is still going on. The next sentence here with me is they are doing the interview. They are doing the interview. They are doing the interview. So we will say interview, them, do now. Interview, them, do now. Interview, them, do now. Interview, them or them, do now. That's how we put that sentence in sign language. The next sentence here is he is communicating to his father. He is communicating to his father. Father his, him, communicate now. Father him. Father his, Father his, him, communicate now. Father, his. Father, his. So this is the person. So you say father, his. Him. We go. We are placing this person here. Remember we talked about in the last lesson, another lesson we discussed about when we are talking about parts of the speech. We discussed a linguistic known as localization, that you place a person somewhere, then you are able to point at that person. So that's why we are placing, this is a person, this is someone. So that's why we are placing the person here. So in this form of sentence, it will be father, his, him, communicate now, will be signed like this. Father, his, him, communicate now. We go. Father, his, him, communicate now. That's how we sign that sentence. The next sentence here is the judge is hearing the case. The judge is hearing the case. We'll say case, judge, hear now. Case, judge, hear now. Case, judge, hear now. The judge is hearing the case. Case, judge, hear now. The action is still taking place. The action of listening or the judge hearing the case is still going on. The next, the second last, of course, the mediator is telling the truth. The mediator is telling the truth. In sign language, true. Mediator, tell now. True. Mediator, tell now. Lastly, the last sentence in this type of sentences, of course, we are talking about in this form of tense, we are talking about present continuous tense. So the last sentence in this category is he is putting the letter in the envelope. He is putting the letter in the envelope. We'll say envelope, letter, he, put, now. This is the envelope. This is the envelope. This one. So we'll say envelope, letter, envelope, letter, he. Now, again, envelope, letter, he. Now, that's how we sign those sentences. Kindly practice these sentences. See you in the next lesson.